Hey! Wow, it is bright in here. Sorry about the humming, it is way too cold to have my car turned off. It needs to be on. So today, I'm on my way to work and I need to do my fucking makeup because I look like garbage. So I did say a couple videos back, I think, Vlogmas maybe, that I was going to be doing a on-the-go makeup with my on-the-go makeup bag. Don't eat it, Annette. Okay. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm sitting in my driveway, pulling out the few things I'm gonna put on my face, which is proving to be difficult. This is gonna be super simple. Oh my god, I can't see anything. I'm not gonna put any base on because that's just not how my skin's feeling today. I'm gonna start actually by putting on my eyebrows. So I'm using my Avon brow powder. I don't have a spoolie in here. Gonna blend that powder with my finger. Good lord. Does this look like I have two eyebrows? Okay, now I'm gonna use my Huda palette, but I'm literally just gonna put that white shade on my eyelids because I'm being basic. I just want something on here because I'm so veiny. I'm so vain. I probably think this song is about me. I blend that sort of with my finger. Oh yeah, I also have like less than 5 minutes to finish doing this. Oh my goodness. Mascara, I got the Physicians Formula. What are you? Killer Curves. This on my top lashes. Oh no. And also on my eyelid. Almost done already. Okay, now some lip gloss. Just to hydrate and leave a bit of a glitter trail, because that's what I do. Now I'm gonna scratch all that mascara off of my eyelid. Oh yeah. She's coming off. I wear glasses, no one will know. It's fine. And that is it, my friends. Oh my goodness. So I'm not sure where I'll do this video next month. My goal, which will happen much more often in the summer months, I'm sure, is to do these on-the-go makeup videos in different places. Some of these, for the next little while, might just be in my car. Thanks so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy this concept, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm here, and we'll see you in the next one.
Wow.